Hello, viewers. My name is Mr. Adebanjo, and I want to strongly welcome you to today's teaching. In a couple of videos we had in the past, we have talked about sets, what constitutes a set, and we have also talked about some terms that we have under sets, such as subsets of a set, stuff like inverse set, intersection of sets, union of sets, and so on. But in this video now, we are going to talk about range sets. Range sets. And what he's saying is that how there is a way we can code the element of a particular set. Instead of revealing the element of that particular set, we code it in a such a way that we need to decode it before we can use those elements of that set. And that's what the range set is talking about. When we put the element of a particular set in inequalities format, and that is a range set, then you will need to list the element of that set before you can use the set for anything. An example of what I'm trying to say is what you are seeing on the screen right now. You have to list the element of the set G now. But if you look at the element in that set G, it's such that this set G has X elements in it. Set G has X element in it, such that they now give us the range of values of that X elements. They're not giving the range of values of set X elements. That if you have some element that in place of X here, but those elements range from this value to this value. How can we get this? We're having that 1 less than X and S less than 5. And how do we solve this? That means those elements, if 1 is less than X, that means X is what? Greater than 1. That's what it implies. That means those elements in set G are numbers greater than 1, but S is less than 5. Those elements is less than what? 5. I'll come again. Those elements in G are, that is, we are having 1 less than S. That means S is greater than 1. That means those elements are greater than 1, but they are less than what? They are 5. And what are those elements? If you list those elements that are greater than 1, that is value that are greater than 1, they are 2, 3, then 4, but less than 5. That means you are going to stop at what? 4. So we have 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4. So those the elements in G here are 2, 3, and 4. If you look at the set L here, given that that element in set L are Y, such that Y is from you're having 16 less than Y here. That means Y is greater than what? 16. If 16 is less than Y, that means Y is greater than 16. That means those elements are greater than 16. They're not starting from 16. So that means, but less than or equals to 19. That means those elements could be less than or equals to what? 19. So if those elements are greater than 16, that means I have 17, 18, less than or equals to 19. That means 19 is also included. That means the elements in this set are 17, 18, and 19. So if you look at another set we have in here, we having set M here, having A elements in it, but the element A is from, we having 25 less than or equals to A. 25 less than or equals to A. That means A is greater than or equals to 25. In this case, that means 25 is part of the element in set M. So that means I have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. But those elements is less than what? 30. So that means 30 is not part of it. That means the highest number there is what? 29. That means I have from here 25 to what? To 29 as the element in set what? Set M. Then I have set N having B elements such that 3 is less than or equals to B, less than or equal to what? 6. That means B is greater than or equals to 3 and B is less than or equals to what? 6. So what do I have? That means those 3 is among the element and 6 also what? Among the element. Less than or equals to. It could be less than or equals to. So that means I have 3, 4, 5, 6 as the element in 6. Another way of setting range set is we're having elements set W here, having X elements such that S is an even number from 5 to 15. We should know what an even number is. Even number are number that